Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, we're going to do our first ice cream of the season, and I have a sous chef. It's a two-person job, but it's really easy. It's no churn. Oh, I'll get it, we'll get it. We're going to make a cake batter ice cream. We're going to take some help from the store, and I'll show you why in a minute, and it's amazing. There's no churning involved. There's no ice cream machine involved. It's really easy and simple, but if you love like a confetti cake or like a traditional birthday cake, then this is the ice cream for you. Are you ready to cook with me? The ingredients you'll need are not many, but they're all the right ones, and do not skip any of these, because if you skip one, then everything else will not taste the same. You'll need heavy cream. It's my mic. You'll need heavy cream. What I have here is a confetti cake mix, and you'll need, excuse me, you're gonna cook, are you ready? You need confetti cake mix. I know it sounds crazy, but you've gotta just trust me. Sweetened condensed milk. You'll need vanilla bean paste. You'll need some sprinkles, like confetti sprinkles. Put that down, baby. We're not ready for that yet. Not yet, we're gonna mix. And then you'll need, okay, then you'll need a few frosted cupcakes. Here, put this in there. A few frosted cupcakes that you're gonna cut into small pieces and put them in the freezer, and I'll show you that in just a second. They're back here. But for now, what I'm gonna do is, because I'm gonna have to do this off camera because it's gonna get really loud, I'm gonna whip the heavy cream till semi-stiff peaks, and then in this bowl, we're gonna add the mix. Go ahead, put this in here. No, you're doing it backwards. Can you pick this up? Mia, hold this. She's putting each, put it in here. Very good. Okay, now, put this in here. Go ahead, use your spoon, pick up your spoon. Go on. Very good. Good job. Get all the condensed milk out of there. Now, can you mix all this together? Good. She's gonna mix that. I'm gonna whip this up with the vanilla bean paste, and then we unite everything in just a minute. She's very busy. You need an apron with a hashtag, very busy. Good job. Look at you. I'm about to be out of a job. Go ahead. That looks good. You don't want it too stiff. All right, may I take this, please? Then you're gonna take this mixture, and you're just gonna add it in, and you're gonna fold it all together. And this is gonna give you that really rich, like buttery cake-like, I guess, flavor, right? That does there too. I'm gonna mix this all up. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Excuse me. Don't be kicking. Are you kicking it? You want to stir it? All right, so what I have here are 3 vanilla cake, like birthday cake, like traditional cake, frosted cupcakes. You're gonna take the cupcake with the frosting included. You're gonna dice them up really small, well, like bite-sized pieces, and you're gonna throw them into the freezer. This is gonna sound crazy, but this is what takes this recipe completely over the top, because as you're eating this, go ahead and stir it. Because as you're eating this, very much like a cookie dough ice cream, as you're eating it, you'll have actual bites of birthday cake throughout your birthday cake ice cream. And it is not something that you need to skip, because it will change this whole thing completely. Like, I know it's an extra step. You can bake the cupcakes if you want to, but every local grocery store or any small bakery, they'll sell you a few cupcakes. So go ahead and do it, because it is not, you can't skip it. Go ahead, mix it in. Good. Can mommy take over for a second? Oh, sorry. All right, you're just gonna mix these in, and then you're gonna pour the whole thing into a container with a tight fitting lid, and you're gonna pop this into the freezer for a minimum. Dada's behind the camera. You're gonna pop this into the freezer for a minimum of, come here, we're gonna put sprinkles on it. Wait, we're not done. We're not done. Impatient. I don't know where you get that from. Come here. This needs to set for a few hours, but we're gonna put some sprinkles on there first. You ready for the sprinkles? Sprinkles. Hold on. Hold on, Cookie. Anyone know why I call you Cookie? Because you're so sweet. You want to try?
No.
No? It tastes like birthday cake. Sprinkled on top. Oh, very nice. Right there. Then I'm just going to cover this and pop it into the freezer for a few hours or overnight, depending on how we're feeling. And then we're going to serve it, right? Very focused. It's a good job. Keep going. Right there. You're missing some right there. We are ready. We've been ready. It's been setting for like 7 hours. It's now after dinner, so we are ready for a treat. You want Mommy to help?
Mommy help?
Okay. This is going to be amazing. It's soft and delicious. I want you to look at this. Come close really quickly. Do you see the cake in here? Do you understand the delight that this is? What?
Hold it.
Oh, hold it. You want to eat your ice cream?
No.
No, you want to pile it on? Mommy will eat it.
No. No.
You haven't lived. You haven't lived. Put it in there. Daddy will have it. That may very well be the best ice cream you will ever eat. If you are a fan, Daddy will eat a broken one. If you are a fan of a confetti, classic birthday cake, this is the ice cream for you. And I promise once you make this, you will be making it all summer. Don't leave out the cupcakes. Don't leave out anything in this recipe because it is perfection times 1,000. Let your kid come in the kitchen with you. They break an ice cream cone, they break an ice cream cone. They make a mess, they make a mess. Nothing gives her more excitement and joy than being in this kitchen. So I like to include her in as many things as I possibly can because if she's happy, I'm happy. And having her in the kitchen with me will make for very long-lasting memories that her and I will both cherish. But enough of that. She's like, eat your ice cream. You're a strange bird. You want to try Mama's? Excuse me. Go to laurainthekitchen.com for the written recipe. I hope you enjoy spending time with us today. Say bye-bye to the friends. Say love you. You say love you. She's like, okay, whatever. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time. Bye. It's not a wedding. That's really loud.
Thank you, Mama.
Thanks, baby. Okay, you want to cook with me?
For me?
Okay, look at Daddy.